Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. First, you fold like that. The paper, like good. Then you fold again, like this. But then you unfold this like that, back to how you were. And you see this open side right here? This one you go down like that. And the closed side that you can't open through here, you do like that. So this is the closed side, and like that. Do it like that. Fold it like that. Then, remember the open part? You do it like that. And then, like that. After that, you do like this. You open it through here. Then, like, you go like that. Then you go like that. And see this little thing right here? You put this under the other one, just like that. And the other side, the same. Like that, like that. Go under this, there, like that. So then you fold this all the way up on top of here. Then you fold like that. Then you go like that, and then you do like that. The same thing. Then you grab it right here, and then you open it. Then the same the same thing that we did earlier, like that. Then you just make like that a little bit, not all the way up on top, and like that a little bit. And then you just let it go, like two little legs. And then you just pull this, and then do this, do that, and then open this a little bit, just a little bit, and there's your paper boat.